Atmalib has subscribed to Turnitin, which you, Sahabat Atmalib, can use to check the similarity of your written works. This guide will explain you how to create a Turnitin account, log into Turnitin, join a class, and test the similarity of your assignments. First, let's go through the steps to create a Turnitin account. Visit the Turnitin page through Atmalib. Click on Login. Create an account through the New User command. Select Student as the Turnitin profile type. Next, you will be prompted to enter the class ID and class enrollment key. You can get these from the course instructor or faculty staff. Next, input your personal information as required. Use your Atmajaya student email address to help lecturers and faculty staff identify you more easily. Create a Turnitin account password following the guidelines. The secret question and answer will be necessary for resetting your Turnitin account password. Follow the CAPTCHA verification process. Then, click I agree, create profile. The initial profile view of your Turnitin account will appear like this, and you will be instantly enrolled in the class based on the entered class ID. If you already have a Turnitin account, simply log in using the email and password you used to register for your Turnitin account. If you forget your password, click on the Forgotten Your Password button and follow the steps to reset your Turnitin account password. You can join the classes provided by lecturers or faculty staff. Click on the Enroll in a Class tab. Enter the class section ID and enrollment key you get from lecturers or faculty staff. Then, the class name will be added to your Turnitin profile. To check the similarity of your paper, start by clicking on the class name. Here, you'll find the submission start date and deadline. Click the Open button next to your assignment title. Then, click Upload Submission. You have three options to upload your file. First, upload submission by selecting a file from your computer. Second, text input by typing directly or copy-pasting the text to be checked. And third, cloud submission by choosing a file stored in the cloud. For this tutorial, we'll select the Upload Submission option and choose the research paper file from the computer. Enter the assignment title and select the file. Click the Upload and Review button. Double-check to ensure the file is correct. To get the similarity check results, click the Submit to Turnitin button. Your assignment title will then be added to your paper list. The percentage of similarity test results can be seen in the Similarity column. The percentage result may take a considerable amount of time depending on the number of pages in the submitted assignment. Click on the percentage number under Similarity to review the similarity test of your academic work. Highlighted sentences indicate similarity with sentences found on the internet. Turnitin automatically provides links to websites containing similar sentences. To download these similarity test results, click the download icon and then select Current View. The similarity test results will appear like this when opened in Adobe Reader. Please review these similarity test results to ensure that you have properly cited sources, listed them in the bibliography, or paraphrased the sentences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Atmalib's YouTube channel for access to educational app information subscribed by Atmalib.